Alright, in the previous video, we saw how we can use RStudio Cloud. Now let's see how we can use ArtofStat web applet. So if you click on the artofstat.com/web-apps, it uses all the apps we need for this online statistic course. So it brings you up here, and we are at the exploratory data analysis. And since age is a quantitative data, we want to explore that. So we click here. And if you pay attention here, we have a single group, we have a single variable. So you see we're, as a default, we're on the single variable. The data is not from any textbook. We want to use our own data. So we enter it here. It says, what do you have? Individual observation. Yes. What's the name of variable? Actor ages. And the nice thing what we can do, once we have the file downloaded in our laptop, we can right click on the file and highlight all the data that we have, copy and paste it here, and automatically it gives us a histogram and a box plot. So we want to keep the histogram. So there's one histogram. The nice thing with ArtofStat, you see when you go on the histogram, you can get a lot of information. So this interval is between 30 to 34, 35 to 39. And the nice thing, you see at the right hand side, there is a camera figure. You can download this plot as a PNG. So if you click on that, it gives a histogram right here. So automatically download it as a file. Now we want to look at two different histograms. So another option we have here is just select bandwidth for histogram. So you see how we go from 30 to 35. We can increase that to 10. So our histogram go from 30 to 40, 40 to 50 as you go on. So this would be a second histogram. So I go on the histogram, I click on the camera, and it downloads a second histogram file. So I have two of them here, histogram, histogram 1. So I can upload them into the discussion board and use them to post a discussion.